Hey, GETMADE Squad, it's Shanice. Welcome back to my channel. Hope that this video finds you for great, excellent spirits. So guys, welcome back. It's been a while. I know I've said this before in other videos, but it has been a while since I've actually recorded something. I have a lot, a lot of videos that I have pre-recorded that I am dragging my feet on editing and uploading for you guys. I do apologize for that. I won't say a lot's been going on, but I have added more to my plate, and I'm trying to get some businesses going because I am tired of working for somebody else. Like, I'm tired of putting in all this work and effort for somebody else to make like all this money. First, I am blessed. I am thankful to have a job. I'm not complaining about that, but my job is not my career. That's not what I want. That's not the legacy I want. That's not the mark I want to make. I want to make my mark with my art or with the other business ideas I have. So I am trying to pursue those. So since I'm pursuing those avenues, unfortunately, this channel has, what am I trying to say? It has the negative effects of it. I try to figure out how to put this in words, but it's not coming to me. But unfortunately, my attention has been drawn away a little bit. So for those that are still subscribing, sticking around, thank you so much. I know I've gotten I know I've gotten some new subscribers. Hello, welcome. I do plan on continuing to make videos. They're just not coming out as fast as they were before. I do still rock units. I do still order them. I just haven't uploaded anything, or I haven't recorded on some of them. Some of them I think I'm going to come back to you guys and do the updates, just so you know how certain units held up, like I did before. I know a lot of them get sold out, so it's like if I do these updates and then they never remake them or it takes forever, I don't know. We'll just see. I'll still do the updates, and if they restock some of these really popular units, you'll know how they work and if you like them and so forth and so on. So, if you're new to my channel, I like to do a positive message in the beginning, even though I really did kind of like an update, a really quick update with you guys. But my message to you is what I'm doing. Go after what you want to do. You know, if you're not happy with the life that you are in right now, there are aspects of your life that you just don't like. Like, yeah, you know you're blessed, you're thankful, but it's just not where you want to be. It's not where you see yourself. It's not where you know where you need to be. Go after what you want. Don't just settle. We only get one life. I know I've said this before a gajillion times. You only get one life. This life right here. Make the most of it. Don't stay in relationships that are toxic. Don't stay in friendships or relationships with people who are dragging you down, who aren't helping you move forward. Don't waste your time on that. Don't waste your energy. I won't say waste your energy on jobs, but don't just settle for that job. If that's not the job you want, go after the one you want. If that's not the job or career you're going after, go after the one you want. If there's a certain career you want, and maybe it's not owning your business, it's some other type of career, go after jobs that are in line with getting you towards that career goal. Don't just settle for any job just to settle for a job. At least go for one that is going to put you in line towards something else. And sometimes you have to make a sacrifice. Sometimes you might have to work, one or two jobs because those jobs are in line with where you want to go, but they're not paying you what you need to get paid to pay your bills. That might be a sacrifice you have to do. Have a side hustle to compensate for the pay you're not getting in order to pay your bills. But you know that this is going to put you to the path you want to go on. Because just settling for a job and knowing that you're working there for 5, 10, 15, 20, 30 years and your life just passes you by, and then you realize, okay, now it's time for me to retire, and like I never did the career I really want to do, or I've been in this relationship for 10 years and I'm not happy. I'm just really unhappy. But the person is a good person, maybe they have their life figured out, and you're like, oh, they're a safe bet. Why? Yeah, it's comforting. Yeah, it's safe, but why? When you could be with someone who you are just like passionately in love with, that person that is your person, why miss out on that opportunity? So sum it all up, just go after what you want. Don't just settle. You know, research whatever you need to do, get to where you need to be, do that, have your tools ready, and just keep learning new tools and keep educating yourself until you are just where you want to be and you're just happy. Okay, guys? All right, so let's get into the second reason why you're here, because you like to feed your soul so that you're beautiful on the inside, radiates outward, and then hair and makeup and everything, just accessories to a beautiful soul. So we're going to talk about this unit that I'm currently rocking on my head right here. I'll show you a clip. Nothing really, what am I trying to say? See, I've been recording so long, I keep saying, nothing like outside the box or just like, oh, so different with the cap construction on this unit. It's your typical cap construction. 2 combs brought about here at the temple area, comb in the back, it does adjustable straps, and it does have an elastic band. So the unit I have on my head, let me grab the card because I'm sitting on it. This is a new unit. This is from Outre, however you want to pronounce the brand, from their Melted Hairline collection. This is Chandell. This is her right here. I am rocking the color DRFF2 Cherry Red. Again, with these colors, I could not decide what to get. Let's go ahead and get into the cons. Let's do bad first, followed by the good. Okay, cons. She is not an everyday unit. She is already tangly. Oh, sorry guys. I put her on this morning. I've had her on for about 12 hours. Okay, so I put her on before I went to work. We're all at work. We just came back from Chili's. So yeah, had her on for 12 hours. She's not an everyday unit because she's so long. She tangles, and it's just like with a lot of these synthetic units, I feel like they use different fibers towards the end, or maybe these fibers just don't hold up as long units. Not really sure the technical part of these fibers and how they work. But yeah, she does tangle, and she's already fraying at the end. Like when I combed her out, like she's already getting the frays and the crunchies. And I put on, at first I didn't put on any wig conditioner, but once I got home from work, I sprayed on a little because we were going out to eat. I just want to see how she would do, if there was a difference, so I can let you guys know. And I don't feel like there was that much of a difference with the texture of her after spraying the wig conditioner. I don't feel like it helped her out. So yeah, that is a con. Just the texture of the hair. I don't think she'll hold up. You should not wear her every day. I would put her in rotation. And when you're not wearing her, detangle her and put her up in some type of plastic. Either put it back in the bag she came in, or if you have plastic from when you go shopping, just something to kind of seal in her freshness, if that makes sense. Let's get into the pros. Guys, Outre and this Melted Hairline collection, perfection. This hairline is absolutely gorgeous. Like, this hairline is just, oh my gosh. The lace is on the ashy side, even for me, so I did add some eyeshadow to kind of blend it. So you will need to use some type of tint or powder or foundation, whatever you use to tint your lace. Definitely need to tint the lace. No plucking, absolutely no plucking required. Like, fresh out the pack, this unit is gorgeous with this hairline. I just can't say enough about this collection. Baby hairs, I just kind of swoop them down. I didn't get too crazy, just because it's this very soft lace and it's big head friendly-ish. So there's going to be some lifting. So you will need to adhere the unit down if you have a big head like myself. What I've been doing a lot lately is just swooping down the baby hairs with the Got To Be Glued. And then I use the freeze spray. Once I have the baby hairs laid down, then I put the freeze spray on, and then I put on the scarf, let it sit for a minute, and then take it off. So I used to put the glue underneath and then put the units on top. I've stopped doing that. I just use a spray right on top. Plus, by doing that method, instead of putting the glue underneath, you don't have to, it doesn't get it as nasty as quickly, so you can put the unit in rotation a little bit longer before you have to clean off that lace before it just gets to, you know what I mean? So yeah, so it comes to these ear tabs are back here on me, so they're not gonna fit down. But I'm looking in the mirror in case you guys are wondering. But I mean, you can't tell with the hair down. You cannot tell that, you know, there's this gap and flap right here. I love the not texture. I'm about to say texture. I love the curl pattern of this unit. I threw the card, but it's like this. You can see it's a wavy pattern to her, and I know there's a lot of wavy units out there, but I don't have a unit like this. Believe it or not, the hundreds of wigs that I have, I don't feel like I have a unit with this particular curl pattern. It's near perfect. If the texture of the hair, if they had nailed that, oh, this unit would have been dang near perfect. But because of this hair texture, but anyway, I just love the way it falls. And this color, so it's like a dark cherry. It's a dark cherry red, you know, underneath. And then you have these lighter pieces kind of on top. So they're like, the lighter pieces kind of frame the face, as you can see. And then there's just darker kind of that black cherry kind of red color going through there. But see, it's just like, it's not very pretty. Like, if you don't mess with her, she looks good. But, you know, after a while, you can tell when your units just kind of need to be combed through. So, I don't know what I'm going to do with this unit. I might end up cutting her. Oh, I didn't tell you, she is long. Like, she comes, like, past the boobs, like, to my waistline. So, this is a long unit. And it didn't look as long on her. I guess if I look at the star card, I guess it was that long. But yeah, it just didn't seem that long. Or I guess I didn't realize how long she was going to be. But this is definitely a long unit. So I think I might just end up cutting her just to get rid of some of this long texture down here that's not just so great. You know, give her a good little trim. She'll still be really cute. She'll still be a cute unit to wear. Sometimes I cut units, I don't end up even wearing them after I cut them. Some of them I do, but some of them I'm just like, oh, no, I don't want you. Poor units. Poor units. Alright, guys. So, to sum it all up, do I think you should get this unit? I think you should get her. If she's too long, give her a good trim. But I just love the curl pattern, the waves on her, not too wavy. Just, you know, these loose, just, I don't know, just this is a really pretty curl pattern. I know I just can't say it enough. And the hairline just, it's melted. It just literally melts on your scalp. Like, you can't go wrong. Like, this is a great, this whole collection is great for first time wig wearers, or even for those who just hate having to manipulate a hairline, don't want to be bothered with it, just want to slap and go. This is pretty much a plop and go. You don't have to use baby hairs. There's elastic bands, so to get it to fit. If you do have, you know, a big, you know, hair like myself, you will have to do whatever you need to do to make some adjustments to make sure it lays flat and looks good on you, so people won't know. All right, guys. So let me know. Did you pick up Miss Chandell? What did you think? I don't know. I haven't watched any other reviews, so I'm not sure if the other reviewers have mentioned this kind of coarser hair texture at the bottom. But let me know if you got it. Did yours do the same? Or maybe it's just the hair color I got. You know, sometimes when you get the specialty colors, that does kind of change the fibers of the unit. So yeah, let me know. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for taking time to watch this. Again, thank you for sticking with me. I will try my best to get back more on track. I'm trying to balance and juggle everything, and it's just a lot, guys. You know, there's only so many hours of the day. I feel like I'm always at my full-time job. By the time I get home, cook dinner, make sure the kids do their homework, try to exercise. It's just, oh, it's just so much, guys. It's so much. But I'm trying to find a balance. All right, so just please stick with me. If you have any questions about this unit or any unit I reviewed before, or if there's a certain unit you've been waiting for me to update, let me know, because I've been wearing so many units. I know I haven't done a lot of updates on them. So yeah, let me know, guys. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe. I would say hit that bell, get notification. Yeah, hit it, because just hit the bell. Hit the bell, because you know I'm all over the place. So it's not, I'm not on schedule here. So hit the bell so you know when I upload something, so you can watch it. I would greatly appreciate it. And please give this a thumbs up, guys. Thumbs up if you love life. Thumbs up if you're going to go after what you want in life. You're not going to settle. We don't got time to settle. We don't have time to settle. So press like if you agree with that. And yeah, I'm going to hop over here and go tackle more stuff on my to-do list. Again, thank you so much, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.